Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make moist, tender, and delicious pastrami at home. There's nothing better than amazing pastrami, and I'm going to show you how you can make it with this simple and tasty recipe at home and without a smoker. If this is your first time at our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives. And we'll show you how easy it is to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. Alright, let me show you how to make this delicious and easy homemade pastrami. It all starts with a beautiful piece of corned beef and a flavor-packed pastrami rub. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the description box below. We're starting with the corned beef brisket. This is a spice packet, and we're not going to use this. Instead, rinse the beef off under cold water for about a minute to get all of the brine off. And I'm cutting this brisket in half so that it will fit better in my pressure cooker. To add smoky flavor to the meat, I'm going to baste the brisket with 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. This is the Hickory smoke flavor. Place the trivet into the pressure cooker or your Instant Pot and add 1 cup of water. Then place the brisket fat side up so that as it cooks, the rendered fat will flavor the meat. Put the lid on and set the pressure cooker on high for 60 minutes. When the pressure cooker is done, use the natural release for 15 minutes and then a quick release. Then remove the brisket from the pressure cooker and let it cool. While it's cooling, mix together the spice rub in a shallow dish. Measure out 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, 2 tablespoons smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, a half tablespoon onion powder, a half tablespoon garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of sage. Stir this all together to combine it well. Then pat the brisket dry, and then slather it with about 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Did you know that we have new videos every week? Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. Then coat the meat in the spice mixture, pressing it into the surface of the meat on all of the sides. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much. Next, wrap the brisket tightly in foil and place it in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours. When you're ready to finish the pastrami, take it out of the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about an hour. And preheat the oven to 275 degrees. Place a rack on the baking sheet. I've lined this with aluminum foil so that it's easier to clean up. And then place the meat onto the rack and cook it for about 1 hour. After it comes out of the oven, let the meat rest for about 15 minutes. The result is a delicious smoky pastrami, and it tastes amazing hot and fresh from your own oven. Look at this super tender pastrami. I'm cutting this into nice, thick slices. Today I'm making Reuben sandwiches with this pastrami and serving it on pumpernickel with a homemade Russian dressing. I'll put the recipe for that in the description box below. Then layer on baby Swiss cheese and pop this under the broiler to melt the cheese. Then a couple of thick slices of my homemade pastrami and sauerkraut that I've warmed up in the microwave. Then top with more Russian dressing. And a quick spread of mayo so we can grill this up. And here is one delicious Reuben sandwich. If you're looking for more easy recipes to share with your friends and family, check out this Easy Dinner Recipes playlist. And here's another video I think you'll like. Alright, I'll see you over there.